Oh, hello there! My name is Salamandra Salamandra, but I like the name Fire Salamander better. I am really young and small right now. That's why you caught me hunting my lunch in this stream. I have to eat to get bigger and metamorphosize, so I can get out of the pond, get my unique yellow stripes, and start exploring the forest floor. The woodlands have everything I need: moisture, shade, leaves to hide under, and plenty of food. I like worms the most. According to the IUCN, my species is listed as a least concern, which means that we are doing just fine. I am not afraid of the predators, because I have my protective poison glands. They mostly protect me from skin infections, but in any case, my collar warns not to come close. You can say that I'm the most handsome among the tailed amphibians. Bye bye!